Hi, I'm Joanna from Up to Date Skills, and today I'm going to show you how easy it is to add another channel or multiple channels to your YouTube account. If you are a content creator, don't forget to subscribe to get updates on new videos. I am on Up to Date Skills YouTube homepage, and I have already created 3 additional channels to test this feature. Let me scroll down. I have them featured here in my featured channel section. If you want to know how to create a section like this one, you can watch another tutorial. I will leave a link for the tutorial in the description below. This is the channel I am logged into now, and these 3 are the channels that I have already created. Because I have created them in the same account, I don't need to log out every time I need to publish something in a different channel. I just click my logo, go to switch account, and here I have all the channels I have created in this account. There's no need to create a new email account or new login information or password. They all have the same login. So let's start now. First, you have to make sure you are logged in to the account where you want to create your new channel. I want to create my channel in this account. So I have the check mark here. So I am good to go. Click on the logo at the top right corner. Look for the word settings and click there. We are now on the settings page. We have all these tabs here on the right, but one we need is account. If you're not there yet, just click account. You can see your account here and then click add or manage your channels. When this page opens, you will see a list with all the channels you have already created, if you have already done so. Of course, if you haven't created any additional channel yet, then you will not see all these options here. To add a new channel, click on this box here where it says create a channel and write the name you want for your channel in this box here. So I'm just going to write new channel. And then you click I understand that I'm creating a new Google account. I do suggest you read these if you are new to Google accounts. I have read them before, so I'm going to skip that step and hit create. We were taken to our new channels page. Here, you will see the name you chose for your channel. And to start customizing your new channel, just hit this button here where it says customize channel. On the first tab where it says layout, you can change the layout you have in your channel's homepage. You can hit the second tab here where it says branding. This is where you add a new logo, a banner, and also a watermark for your videos. And if you hit the third tab where it says basic info, you can change the name you have given to your channel. You can add a description and you can even add a language. If you click here, add a language, you will be able to translate both the name of your channel and also the description you have chosen. I'm just going to cancel this for now. And you can also add some contact info down here and add some links to your website or maybe your social media accounts if you hit this button here. If you add a channel using this method, you can easily go to the other channels you manage on the same account. To do so, just hit the logo here at the top right corner. Look for the option Switch Account and click there. You will then see all the channels you have created on the same account. Let's say I want to work on my Up to Date Skills English YouTube channel. I'm going to click there. And I will be taken to my channel. Then I can easily go back to the other one, switch account again, hit the logo. And here I am back in my new channel. I think this is all for today's video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell to get a notification when I add more videos. Feel free to leave a comment below to share your opinion on this video or to ask about other YouTube features. See you soon. Well, I guess this is it. Thanks for watching.